Hello, welcome everyone. I am Airplane Jane, also known as Jane Galena. If you have not already subscribed and liked the video, please go ahead and do so and turn on the notifications so you get awesome videos just like this. All right, let me go ahead and change up the screen. Today we are going to be talking about paper trading, right? So why should somebody paper trade, right? Why and with who? That's going to be very, very important. Hold on, I just want to get the slideshow up here. There we go. Okay, perfect. So also, if you guys are brand new to my channel and you do not already know where you can follow me, these are all the awesome, great places you can follow me. And I'm always accessible at jane@cjanetrade.com. And finally, if you guys want to learn more than just these free videos with me, come on over to the training pit with me. I do teach in there, and it's an awesome place to learn how to trade, and in particular, learn how to trade around the dark pools, which gives you a huge edge. So let's go ahead and get into paper trading, right? We do have the legal disclaimer. This is for educational purposes. Any ideas or strategies must be tested first. No past performance is indicative of future performance, and there are varying degrees of risk with all trading instruments. Out of the way, really, when it comes down to paper trading, the choice is 100% yours. Now listen, when I first started with my day trading journey, I didn't listen to the rules. I did not paper trade. So I am a huge advocate of getting people to go ahead and paper trade, because you can start trading right away and maybe you'll get lucky and you'll start to be really profitable. But with paper trading, it's going to give you that advantage to practice what you learn, concentrate on the learning process first. The profits will come. I guarantee you pretty much every single trader that you talk to will say it's going to take time for you to go ahead and get your strategy perfected, right? So why not do it with fake money? Why not use that monopoly money? And even if it costs a little bit of money, like maybe $25 a month, $40 a month, it's going to be a $40 expense instead of potentially blowing up a $2,000 account, a $10,000 account. And you don't need to pay the market extra tuition, right? Go ahead and learn this process. If you want to turn this into a profession, it's going to take time, right? And it's probably going to take a little bit of investment as well. It's not all going to be possible for free, right? Whether you're going to be reading books, you'll probably buy those books. If you're going to buy a DVD package or a video package, it's going to have a cost associated with it. It's going to have a cost of time associated with it, even if you're just watching free YouTube videos. So know that you want to go ahead and take that time and perfect your skills in a simulated environment. If you're not able to make it in that simulated environment, then it can be very, very frustrating. If you're having losses, you're combating the psychological battle with the learning process. Go ahead and stick to the learning process. Try to get the good habits down first, right? And you don't necessarily need to deal with the psychological pain. You've got these two people over here. They're dealing with that psychological pain. They did not paper trade, right? So become serious about that risk management at first. It's the best thing to do. You're going to be smiling. You're going to be happy. And you are going to know what you're doing when you progress forward to your real money. Save money in the meantime. Go ahead and stockpile money away for once you know exactly what you're doing. And, you know, everyone always asks me, should I paper trade or should I just open up an account? The thing is, everybody has the ability to open up an account, but not everybody has that natural, innate ability to be a trader right off the bat. So do keep that in mind. All right, so, and remember that when you are trading, the most important thing is discipline. When you have that discipline, you're going to have that consistency. That's going to lead to confidence. That confidence will lead to patience for the proper setups, which will lead to profit and success. So until you get this circle going on that paper trading route, why even put money, real money into it? The money will come. Remember that. When you learn it properly, the money will come. Okay? So there are a couple paper trading brokers out there that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I do have their websites up, so I'll cover that right after this slide. So we have Trading Sim, which is awesome. They do have a free trial, and you can go ahead and sign up. They will charge you, if you do an annual, they don't automatically renew it. So it would just be 1 year, and then if you wanted to renew, you could go forward. Many times it does take people roughly 9 months to go ahead, play around with it, practice it, study it before it really clicks. So give yourself time. Be kind to yourself in this process, right? Thinkorswim, which is also TD Ameritrade or TD Direct in Canada, they have a great platform as well. Interactive Brokers is awesome. TradingView has all free platform, and you can try, they have different varying levels, but you can try it for free as well. And they have the paper trading as well, which is only for stocks. If you do Thinkorswim, Trading Sim, Interactive Brokers, Questrade, e-options, you can do options as well. There's also NinjaTrader and TradeStation as well. So let's go ahead and get out of these slides. Go ahead and go forward here. All right. So we do have the day trading simulator, and you can see right here, it's awesome. You can check out the pricing. If you just click right here, it'll pull up the pricing. You can try it for free. Like I said, it does have that 7-day free trial right here, and you could sign up with any of them. You can do equities, or you can do futures as well, and equities and futures. And it's great because it does have that full platform. You can practice trading 11,000 stocks, 1,000 ETFs. You can scan the stocks as well. You can replay over 500 trading sessions. You can practice with hotkeys if that's the type of strategy that you're looking to use. You can track your trades as well, which is huge when you start paper trading. Make sure that you are tracking your trades so you can see where you're going wrong. The only way to improve is to see where your faults are, right? If nobody tells you you're doing something wrong, or you're not able to analyze it, you're not able to go ahead and improve. So we will look at the futures as well. You can do that if you want to try trading futures. I'd recommend potentially learning equities first and then branching out if you wanted to, because the futures are going to be somewhat similar to an options contract that will have an expiration. So learn the equities, and then you could potentially move forward with options and futures first, but learn how to trade the equities chart first, right? Then we also have Thinkorswim, where you can register for paper money very easily. Go ahead, put in your information, and then you can practice on their simulated account. Charles Schwab as well also has a paper traded simulated arena, and TD and Charles Schwab are merging together. So you could practice on the Thinkorswim platform, amazing platform right there. Also, Interactive Brokers is great as well. You can just go right here, interactivebrokers.com. They're also available internationally. You can get them in Canada and pretty much around the world. So definitely check them out. TradingView as well is great. You can go here and you just sign up. You can see the pricing that they do have free basic level, and when you scroll down, you can see that you can go down and you will see that they have the paper trading, simulated trading. Where is it? And you can paper trade with them, no cost. It is on all of the choices right there. And what I really like about this is no matter where you are in the world, you are able to get data from around the world. So if we look at the stock markets, if we go to the stock markets, you can see that they do have data from absolutely around the world. Let's click here, and you can see the different markets that they have. They've got US market, they have markets all over the world. Here we go. Currencies, forex markets, stock markets, large cap indices, major world indices, futures, bonds, CFDs, cryptocurrencies. So I really love this software as well for charting platform, but I will show you guys a bit more. I actually do have a TradingView setup video. If you guys want to check it out, I'll pop it up right above here. And that's it for our paper trading. So if you guys have any questions, again, any questions at all, you guys are always welcome to email me. Best thing I highly, highly recommend in starting out to trade is paper trading, because you're going to be able to concentrate on that learning process first, and then you're going to be able to move forward from there. Once you understand what you're doing, it's going to be much easier to profit. Why would you just throw money into the market? I did, I had a 6-month-old baby when I started paper trading. I had a $6,000 account and blew that up Once I turned paper trading, I was able to go ahead and hone in my skills. I was able to really study the market. I wasn't concentrating on the profits. And in not concentrating on the profits, you're able to learn the process to create those profits. So remember that. All right, guys, shoot me up at jane@cjanetrade.com if you have any questions. Otherwise, card pay profit. Seize those profits one trade at a time. Have a great one.